I think we're after that. So, my friends, look at my hands. I use my hands a lot. So, there are three churches, same place. The Armenians monastery, the Greek Orthodox, and the Catholic Church. There are three sharing the birthplace of Jesus Christ, the grotto. It is true that each one of them has his own chapel or his own church, but the three pray down in the cave 3 times a day. And every time they do pray down, they close the caves. That's why I said we have to hurry up. So they start early in the morning, the three, Armenians, Greeks, Catholics. 12, they close again, a Catholic procession. 2:30, the Armenians. 3:30, the Greek Orthodox. Let's go, another group is coming. So the entrance is through the Greek Orthodox. People down there is from the 15th century Armenians. That's called the door of humility, because people have to bow down for respect in order to get in. The original entrance is the huge one up in the 6th century. Second one is the rounded one, 12th century, and then the small door. Mind your head, the first step is tricky, okay? And then your hands, please, up.
Both your head.
You gotta get in front of me here.
I'm sure.
Be careful.
Watch your step. Watch your step, Diane.
And watch your head.
Diane doesn't have to bend over. Like this. Come on, let's keep up with her, please.
I'm doing the best I can. Well, go ahead.
We don't have a thing to hear her.
They were stuck behind another book. But my friends, why I said
Hurry up. Okay, so now we are about to see the birthplace of Jesus Christ, the cave or the stable. We all know that Jesus was born in a stable, right? So this is the stable side. The other side of the cave is the house. It's at the Catholic Church. So Jesus was born in a cave similar to the cave that we've seen at the shepherd's fields, because again the shepherd lives in the cave with his animals. So this is the place where the animals used to live. So the steps first are really very steep. The edges are cut. Be careful. There is no hand relief of the walls here. Okay. So as soon as you get inside the cave, go to the right. You are going to see the star. The star of Bethlehem marks the birthplace of Jesus Christ. Birthplace first, and then the manger area. The manger area is the place where Mary wrapped baby Jesus with clothes and laid him. So begin with the star. If you want, you can touch the star, my friends. You can put your hand. You're allowed to take pictures inside the star. There's like a hole. Use my shoulder. Use my shoulder.
Get our crowd in here first.
Come on, Diane. Use my shoulder if you need to.
Let me pass you, please.
Whoop. There comes both of us. You go with her. I got it.
That was a long one.
Mm-hmm.
Usually I shovel it, I'm going to break.
So the police says that
I got you.
inside, please move inside because you want to stop the line now because of the Armenian procession. So if you're inside,
In that butter.
you are going to, okay? So
There's something right there.
Don't worry about it.
star
Keep
is
on walking.
here.
Yeah, but it almost made me fall. I don't want anybody to fall over.
The star.
She said to move fast.
Going down to the major area. So where the star, there is a hole. If you put your hand, you can touch the original floor of the cave. Okay? And down where the major is behind the curtains, you also see the original wall of the cave. So it is believed that she gave birth here, she wrapped him, she laid him down. I say the place of the manger, not the manger, because the manger is not in Bethlehem. It was taken by the Crusaders to Rome. You know what's the manger? The trough. It's not here. The little box is the base for the manger box.
Right this minute. I'm trying to get that to come. That won't come on. I'm trying to get this on.
Take it off. Just cut it off. I can cut it off.
It's not coming on.
Well, it's dead. I'll put it in my pocket.
And what is this?
This is where she laid him.
Oh, so this is the trough?
Well, they don't have the trough, but I think this is where she brought him over and laid him in the trough. I think. Is that what it is? She brought him and laid him over here in the trough.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the born over there.
So my friends, in Bethlehem, this is the only spot that is believed to be the birthplace of Jesus Christ. There is no other place. This is the only place that the denominations agree is the birthplace of Jesus Christ. Okay? Yalla. Those who are finished, that's the way up, and wait for me on top, please. You are
You're doing good. Come on.